In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Netflix if it's not working on your Firestick. The first step that we are going to try, and it's probably the easiest one, is simply unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This is very different than turning your TV on and off with a remote. So make sure that you do it just like this. The next thing that we are going to try is to go into the settings menu on your Netflix. If you can't get to your settings menu, I will show you how to get to it in a different way here in a moment. But go into the settings menu and then go down to Get Help. Then go down to check your network. Here it will run a test of your Wi-Fi and internet connection. You should get all the check marks if your internet is running properly. If you don't have all the check marks, then you're not getting Netflix because your Wi-Fi is probably down. Try resetting your router to see if it fixes that. If you have a network that is successful, then we will try this next step. Go ahead and click down one more step where it says Reload Netflix. This will close out the Netflix app and restart it. Hopefully this fixes it. If you are unable to access the Netflix screen and you have an error message that looks like this, you will want to click over to where it says More Details, and it will take you to the settings menu right there. If these steps didn't work, with the last step here would be to delete your Netflix app on your TV and then reinstall it. You'll have to log back in with your credentials, but this should fix your problem. Well, hopefully one of these methods worked. If not, I'll put a link in the description down below for a TV that I recommend. Well, hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, go ahead and hit a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.